make a summer sunset bouquet. The first thing we're going to use is 5 stems of our sweet basil. This has gone to bulb. As you can see, it's got some beautiful flower sets on it. So we're going to have 5 stems. So we have our base to it. We're going to use 5 of our red zinnias. It's got some yellow centers to them. We're going to add this fun pop of color. This is our edibles. These are sweet peppers, and they're coming into different colors. You can see we have some yellows and oranges and even reds starting. We have 5 stems that we're going to add of our edibles. So we have our 5 stems. We're going to add 5 stems of orange zinnias. These are a little bit different shades. It's going to add some fun elements to our bouquet. The next thing is we're going to add are these pops of yellow, these bright, cheerful zinnias. And the last element we're going to add to our bouquet today is going to be 8 stems of solidago or goldenrod. It's this beautiful bright yellow color. It's first green and then it turns this yellow. It's going to give us our texture elements, adding to our bouquet today. I want to have them kind of popping out, giving some dimension to our bouquet. And here is our summer sunset bouquet. You can see this is beautiful for some edibles on our kitchen table or even out on our deck enjoying our summer afternoon.